Handyman businesses lose a lot of time when scheduling, quoting, and invoicing are handled through texts, phone calls, and handwritten notes, instead of one system built for small job, high-volume service work. By the end of this, you'll know which software actually fits handyman businesses, what features matter most, and how to choose a system based on how you handle small repairs, repeat customers, and daily job scheduling. Most handyman businesses need 5 core things from software: fast scheduling, simple quoting, job tracking, customer history, and invoicing that can be sent immediately after work is finished. Field service software is usually the best fit because handyman work is fast-moving, unpredictable, and often involves multiple small jobs in a single day. Scheduling is one of the most important features. Handyman work often includes same-day requests and short jobs, so software that lets you quickly fill open time slots helps reduce gaps in the schedule. Quoting is just as important. Many handyman jobs are small, but pricing still needs to be consistent, so software that helps create repeatable estimates avoids undercharging or forgetting materials. Job tracking matters because handymen often handle multiple jobs across different locations in one day. A clear system helps keep track of what's done, what's pending, and what still needs follow-up. Customer history is another key feature. Repeat customers are common in handyman businesses, so having past job notes, photos, and service details helps avoid rechecking the same issues. Invoicing is a critical step. The best systems let you generate invoices immediately after finishing a job, which helps reduce delays in payment and keeps cash flow steady. Mobile access is essential because most handyman work happens in the field. Being able to view job details, update status, and capture photos directly from a phone saves time. Some platforms also include photo documentation, which is useful for showing before and after results and keeping a record of completed repairs. Customer communication tools help reduce missed appointments by sending reminders and updates when the technician is on the way. When comparing options, the main difference is usually between lightweight scheduling apps and full field service platforms. Lightweight tools are easier to use, while full platforms provide better organization as the business grows. The right choice depends on how many jobs you handle per day. Smaller handyman businesses often prioritize simplicity and speed. Larger operations benefit more from automation, job tracking, and customer management features. A practical next step is to look at how often you lose track of small follow-up tasks or repeat customer requests. If that happens regularly, customer history and job tracking should be your top priority. If this helped you narrow things down, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of service business software and tools.